Hi guys, you're welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the place of love and inspiration. Yeah. So guys, as you have noticed, I'm super excited today because today is my first unboxing with you guys. Super excited to do this with you guys. So this is the point where you like, you comment, and you subscribe if you haven't. So I got these two gadgets from a shop that a friend recommended to me. He saw them on Instagram and shared them with me, and we checked them out together online, and then he decided to go check them out in person, give me feedback, and yeah, I was able to check it out. Yeah, see me super excited. I'm super excited because these gadgets are stuff that I was been wanting to get for the longest time, and finally I got them. Thank you, GB Salon, for linking me and checking it out before I did. So I got these two most wanted gadgets from no other than the Essentials. Yeah. Guys, I told them coming back with like correct content, and I wasn't kidding. Like, for real, I wasn't kidding. So yeah, these tools are going to help me get the quality content that I've been looking out for. So I got these two. Yeah, I got a cordless microphone. Oops, I turned it. I didn't. Yeah. So it says live video. It says interview and vlog. Yeah, stuff like that. And this is the vlog kit, which is super lightweight. Even together with the box, is so light. Yeah, some of the benefits on the boxes. It says 1/4 screw hot shoe. It has a one hand grip, and all those that have a lightning. Yeah. So when you look at this microphone, it has the receiver. It has two microphones, which is like super duper. Like I thought I was going to get just one microphone, and I went and I was told that I'm going to get two microphones, and I was so happy. And the price was quite cool too. So this is the receiver that you insert into the port or charging port of your phone, and there's a connector to help you connect if your phone's charging port is lightning. So yeah, these are some of the perks of the microphone. It's a plug and play, has 20 meters of accessible reception, widely compatible, highly sensitive, and a whole others. So there's already this clip on the microphone that helps you to attach the microphone to your shirt or your top or whatever you call it. So just attaching it. But I haven't inserted the receiver yet, so I'm going to do that right now. And this is what's used to connect to your phone if your charging port is lightning. So yeah, I'll connect the two of them, and then voila. And then I put them into my phone, and automatically it's ready. Now all you have to do is just put on the microphone on this side, just connect to the receiver, then you can start recording your video. So here I'm putting it on. You have to make sure that the light is green. That indicates that it's working.
Hi,
So
hello,
yeah, that's the test.
hi.
Okay, love this microphone. Okay, so the next is the blog kit, which I love so much. It's so comfy. I had some blog tripod, but it wasn't as strong, so I hope this is stronger. And what I like about this is how it can be used to make a sit down video. You simply have to mount it and put on your flash and your microphone and how big the microphone is. So it comes with a manual, which helps a lot, which you're going to use to do the setup. And let's see what's inside. Voila! See how beautiful, guys. See. This is just perfect. So it comes with the connector again to the iPhone because it's usually made for Type-C. Then it comes with the phone holder. Then it comes with a cord to connect your speaker, microphone. The microphone on it to your phone. Yeah, there's a microphone. And then comes with a tripod stand. So this is the tripod way. Yeah. So you have to set it up to get it standing. And then it comes with a remote control. If you are doing a sit-down video, you don't have to stand up to go push the record button. Just have to press it and it works. And this is the flash. Okay, guys, they're going to set it up now. Thank you guys so much for doing this with me. It was lovely doing this with you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.